Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katrina. If this is your very first time tuning in, welcome to the family. Today I have something special for you all. I'm going to be showing you how I made this awesome basket, this awesome fruit basket carved out of a watermelon using only rubber bands. I know there's so many different methods that you can probably do this, but I'm going to show you a quick, simple, and easy way to do it only using rubber bands. This is something that you can use for any family gathering, any function, and it'll be a great focal point, great centerpiece, something different for you to do as opposed to just slicing up watermelon and having it sitting on your table. So today we're gonna jump right into the video. If you have not already, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. My channel is all about faith, family, fun, DIYs, tips and tricks for parenting. I'm also getting ready to start a kids cooking segment with my son, so be on the lookout for that. All different things for how to get your kids eating more, fun snacks, how to get your kids in the kitchen cooking, how to get your kids eating to motivate them. So please consider liking and subscribing and turning on your post notifications so that way you're notified every time I post a new video. Now let's get into the fun with this fruit basket. Let's go. Today I'm having a little small family gathering barbecue. My mother's outside on the grill because my sisters are picking up my cousins from the airport. I'm going to attempt to make a fruit basket out of this watermelon. I'm going to use these rubber bands as a guide. Now I know people have been putting rubber bands around watermelon to bust them. That's not what she's doing. I'm using it as a guide to cut a nice straight line. And I'm trying to go off of a memory, so I'm hoping that I can get this right. Actually, I need to. So this will be my guide for like the handle on where to cut. I have never done this before, but I just figured I would do something nice and cute today for the first time. See where it's like a nice round part. Okay. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm not even sure which knife I should use, but let's see. Here goes everything. I want this to be done before the family comes so I can have a nice little display. But this might take a while. My mother said, all of a sudden you want to be all crafty. And here comes my mother inside. She doesn't want to be on camera. Okay, so now I need to cut off the whole top.
Where is that thing going?
At me, Ma. She said, where's the camera pointing? She doesn't want to be on camera.
I need some water.
How's the food coming outside? Smells sweet. I'm gonna be mad if I do all this and this watermelon's not sweet. Y'all know y'all get a watermelon. I just popped the rubber band, but that's okay. That's the handle. You get a watermelon. You've been waiting for a watermelon. Open it up, and it's not sweet. I still have not learned how to pick a watermelon. I have no idea. Okay, so this piece should just fall out. Hopefully. My knife not long enough. Ooh, but I hear it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Trying to cut it nice and straight. get the first half off. Okay, that piece is coming up. I want to taste it so bad. It looks nice and red. Guess what? It's my house. I'm gonna taste this one now. Let's see if it's sweet. Cause I'll be mad if it's not sweet. I know that was a sloppy bite, but that's sweet. That's good. Okay, so now I need to do this side. I've seen many different methods. Who knows if mine is easier, but I thought it would be the easiest for me. So that's why I'm doing it this way with the rubber bands. Maybe you might want to try this as well, if it comes out nice. Oh, and by the way, because we're having a sleepover, I have some pranks set up. Since no one is in here now, my mother just went back outside. Oh, I'm gonna get them really good today. So, you know, my son has a channel, Caden's World. It's featured on my page, so you guys definitely check out his channel, because his channel, or your kids can check out his channel. That's where we do like all the pranks and the challenges and stuff. Woo! I keep popping the rubber bands. Well, cutting the rubber bands. Okay, second half coming out. Boom, look at that. Now I gotta cut, so now I can remove this rubber band. This is coming out pretty good. I know y'all saw that piece that fell off. I'm gonna eat that. Because I wiped my counter down. And I'm home. Okay, so now, you guys see I have this already. Now I'm gonna cut out the center. And this will be pretty easy. Don't cut the handle. And I'm just gonna put on some gloves. Alright, this is still... Oh, duh, Trina. Cut the bottom. Y'all see I'm learning. Come on. Push out. There we go. Kind of tight. So I'm just going to start scooping, making circles. And then we're just going to put everything back in. Oh shoot! I forgot my macaroni and cheese. Oh, she looks good, y'all. Okay. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Should I leave it in for a little while longer? Come on, Molly, the people love you. Come on.
Look good. Take it out and let it run.
I want to make sure it's melted and cooked all the way through. 5 more minutes and I'm gonna take out the macaroni and cheese. Thank God for mothers, because I sure enough forgot about that mac and cheese. Now I'm trying to make little balls, but these are not coming out into balls. So I don't know how they get balls.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
How these people get perfect little balls? There's my mother, everyone. Say hi, Mom.
Hey, I hate TV. Hate whatever.
YouTube.
YouTube, whatever.
She said you hate TV. That's an old Southern mother for you guys. But she know how to throw down and cook in the kitchen.
You ain't got no ball yet?
I ain't got the first ball, guys.
And yours look worse than mine.
Oh my goodness, this is, which one did you scoop with? Did you scoop with the small one or the big one?
I scoop with the small one.
This is horrible. My mother gave this to me, guys. So if my stuff don't look like...
Mine looks better than yours. Fussing about mine.
Well, I got a first nice little looking ball. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit that aside because I got to start scooping this all out. I'm going to make bigger scoops. Let's see. I wish you could mold it, but you can't mold it. This is just like, I'm not getting the first ball. I'm trying to see how to get a ball. Scooping these balls was not easy. I thought I would have been a lot better with balls. Ha! I guess I wasn't. I guess I should have Googled it first. My sister came in later on and helped me out to get this done because this took forever. It was so tedious. This watermelon was huge. But at the end of the day, we made it work. Keep watching. Okay, so at this point, I'm not really getting circles. It looks so juicy. Woo! Juice just splattered all over me.
Okay, she'll get no mine there.
Mama.
Go in the grills.
My mother fussing because of my sister's not here yet. Ma, what happened?
So nothing has to go in the grills now, but
The burgers and stuff? Are we gonna season those? We gotta season those burgers.
I'm not trying to cook the burger.
We can season burgers as we put them on the grill.
Put something on here. Let me put that. Good job.
Alright.
Steaks in here.
Oh, y'all wanna see the mac and cheese I just took out the oven? Sure. I'll show you my mac and cheese. Don't it look good? Yeah, baby. That's baked mac and cheese. Okay, I am still at it with this watermelon, trying to get all these balls shaped. I wish I had an overhead camera, but that's coming soon in the future, so that way you can see every step along the way. In the meantime, I had to go outside to help my mother on the grill, so my sister took over, and she actually did a better job than me. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry. My card got so full, so I wasn't able to keep recording. I had to empty the card out. But I got all the fruit done. My mother already pre-did this. My sister helped me. So, got the basket carved. Now let's make it nice and pretty. After all that carving, here comes the easy part. It's time to put the fruit back into the basket. And you can use whatever fruit you like. I'll be using cantaloupe, honeydew, and of course watermelon. I didn't even have enough space for the pineapple. But just make it your own and have fun with it. These are my two twin cousins, Jamel and Jameer, all the way from New York. First time here in Charlotte, so I'm actually doing this for them. But I use the rubber bands as my guide, as an easy way to cut straight lines, and you can use whatever method you want, but this was easiest for me. This creates a nice, beautiful centerpiece, something different for your table, family function, or any gathering that you're having. Just remember to mix up your fruit so that way you get a nice color assortment. And voila, here you go. So this is the final product, my fruit basket. First time, came out okay. And it's gonna be messed up in a few minutes. So we're about to get this barbecue started, and I'll see you later. Guys, thanks for watching me make my very first fruit basket. I think it came out awesome, and my family sure devoured it. So this is something so simple and easy that anyone can do. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notification bells. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.